In this video I will be explaining how to reset forgotten password in Windows 11, Windows 10 or Windows 8.1 without losing data, and without using any kind of USB or CD anymore. So right now you can see I am on my login screen. I forgot my password and the one that I remember. If I type it and enter it, it says the password is incorrect. Now you don't have any other options, so even if you are not so much tech expert, you don't know much about the computer, don't worry, simply follow the steps. It's not too much complicated and you can easily do it. Alright, now what you have to do on your keyboard, look for the shift key, and while holding on the very right hand corner you will see the power icon, click on it and then choose restart. Make sure that you keep holding the shift key. Now click on restart and just keep holding until you see a black screen. Now you can leave it and you will be getting a message, now please wait, and then it will come up with a blue screen where it will give you some troubleshooting options. Now here you can see choose an option screen that came up, and now you have to click here on troubleshoot, then click on advanced options. Now here choose system image recovery. You can cancel this box. Then click on next. Then click on advanced, and then click on install a driver, and then click on OK. So now you will get this kind of box, and here only we have to do all the work. So click on this PC from the left hand side, and now you have to click on the drive where you have your operating system installed on, and in most of the case it's in C drive, so double click on C, but as for me I have it on drive D. Then double click on it. And now here you have to look for a file name called utilman, UTILMAN. Now as it is a huge file here, it will take some time to search it. So be patient and just keep searching. So how you can search it? Just type U twice very quickly and then you will come to this kind of page where you will see such kind of files. Now keep scrolling down until you find utilman. Okay, here it is. Now once you find utilman, right click on it, then choose rename it, and then you have just add number 12, 1 and 2. Just click anywhere now and do not see here because it has been saved, and once you refresh it, it will come back with the name utilman 12 right. Now once you're done you have to rename other file that will be by the name CMD, so again press the C key to go to the C section, press C and press M immediately, and then you will come to CMD. You have to look for CMD, so as I said, in case if we are not able to search by C and M together, then keep scrolling down until you find CMD. Right now once you get it, right click on it again, choose rename, and this you have to rename as utilman. Then just click anywhere, and after that cancel everything, close everything, and then you will come to this page of choose an option. Now this time you have to click on continue. So this will be now starting your computer, so just wait, and now you will come to the screen again, to the login screen, and now here on the very right hand corner you will find that accessibility option. Click on it and the command prompt box will be coming up. Now here you have to type a command which is control space user password, then number 2, then hit on enter. Now you will be getting this user account box, and then you can see your username here. Here you will find the option of reset password. Click on reset password. Then it will ask you the new password and confirm new password. You just need to leave this blank, or you can also type your desired password. So let's say I want is number 123, so again I will type 123. And then I click on OK, then click on OK, and now you can close it. Now type the same password 123, hit enter, and you will be logged into your computer. Now your password has now been recovered, it has been resetted, and now you can quickly log into your computer. Hopefully guys this will help you as well, and still if you have any problem then let me know in the comments section, and if this worked for you guys please hesitate to consider subscribing to the channel. Like the video, and I see you in the next video guys.